Feeling, bro? That motherfucker look good out there. Man, I'm good, bro. Stay in them good spirits, man. This motherfucker's doing a lot worse than me, you feel me?
Yeah, for real.
We're in a good situation here, man. You see this gas station?
What's up? You got this thing looking like a costume.
Man, I'm trying to tell you.
My back is against the wall.
Gang, what it is. Mook in the V, y'all already know what time it is, man. Had to get y'all an elongated version of the intro today. On my way to this little car meet, pull up and park situation. Y'all see by the title and by the thumbnail already what time it is. I never remember the names of these places, man, but y'all know, man, we always popping up on the scene. That's what really matters. Still in the Continental. Yes. Don't worry about it, man. I know y'all all been asking questions about the Mamba, man. I'm gonna drop a video soon explaining what happened, what's going on, what's the plans, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all in the dark like that. Try to let the camera get it. There we go. Yeah, man, as y'all see, I'm in the car wash, man, getting a quick little wash, and then we finna shoot right on the E-way, man. Right on the E-way. And then I'm gonna pick up the camera in, man, you know what I mean? What up, gang, man? We done arrived on location. Something a little bit different than what I usually do. I'm gonna show y'all the name of this place as soon as this tree get out of my way. I ain't got no cards either, man. I don't think I brought any of them. There we go. Y'all see the name? Oh, that ain't even the name. That's just the picture. See right here. I see how they coming out here. I haven't seen that joint right there before. Doors up on. What's going on, fellas? Hey, Phantom thing crazy. Make sure y'all go get my man to subscribe, follow on Instagram. Look at the inside of that joint, man. Crazy. Definitely one of the hottest chargers out here. Period. This joint crazy. Sir. Over here smashing on some shit. What's up? How you feeling, bro? How you feeling? What's going on with you? Damn, bro. I was playing with you when I said I was gonna dunk on you, bro. You ain't have to cancel this shit because I wouldn't have said it, bro. I told him I was gonna dunk on him. He canceled the whole basketball shit, man. Look, bro. He say 15 to get in. I tell him 15. I'm coming to dunk on you. The next message is I'm gonna send it back, bro. It's over with.
Ain't enough people hit him, so I'm like, alright.
Y'all ain't been talking shit, man.
I just ain't wanna pay all the money.
Got the slingshot out here, man. How y'all wanna do it? Y'all see the sparkles in that joint? Yes, sir. Got the hood up, got the wings up. How y'all want to do it? That boy AB thing right there. 4G's on there, 26s, man. Y'all already know. Go check my boy out. That thing right there, sparkling. Y'all see what time it is, man. Y'all see the sparkle in that joint? Y'all know what time it is. Go check my mans out, man. Point blank. Swervo 2 time. What's going on with you, bro?
Chillin'.
Swervo 2 times, man. Hey, I hear you. I just got here. I'm gonna get a quick little walk around and put it up for the day.
I recorded that long, so I looked at my
Go holler at my man Stunner. Got a lot of tubers out here, man. What's going on with you, bro? How you feeling? Yes, sir. You already know what time it is, man. Chilling, bro. Chilling. Wait, ready for Gap Fest, bro. Ready for that shit, man. You know, I mean, I'm in a different car, but I'm good. Yeah, I'm riding the Continental out there. It's gonna be smooth. You know what I mean? Yeah, you feel me? It's gonna be smooth. But the Jeep making a comeback. It's coming back stronger too. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming for sure, for sure. Man, look, it was a 392 in there. I was pushing about 500. I'm coming back stronger. Simple as that. That's all I can tell you right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We coming though, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have that Continental out there, man. Hey, man, is you certified to be doing this stuff?
Hey, what up?
How you feeling, bro? Getting this mark look good, huh?
Some spots that we missed when we was in Indianapolis,
Uh-huh.
and I thought I was supposed to do it yesterday, and I told Stunner I just put my hands to it.
Okay.
Because it ain't the whole car, just like around these edges,
Uh-huh.
and you know. I hate buffing cars. Because the car gets so doggone dirty. All this damn dust.
Scrappy dude right here, man. Y'all know what this is. Y'all done seen this all over the internet, man. Raffle car right now. I think it's $20 for a ticket, $100 for 8. Y'all go ahead, jump in that raffle, man. Y'all can win this joint right here, man. I know I'm finna get mine. I don't know what y'all finna do, but I'm finna get mine. Cause hey, if we win this, we in the game, man. Y'all see how he coming. This joint right here, crazy.
The way I remember the car is after the tag. Like the cartoon, that's in the traffic, that was the cartoon. That's the only way I can remember the car name.
Yo, this thing right here, crazy in person. I'm trying to tell y'all. This video does it no justice. This thing, like, y'all see that? Glass top. Sun beaming on this mark just right. This joint crazy over here in the sun.
Oh yeah.
My goodness.
Hey, see this shit? Hey, Mook, come here and show you something. See that? You gotta stand and see that?
Oh yeah, yup.
See that?
Uh-huh.
Them edges.
Can get that up out of there?
Yeah.
Cat going to work on it. Man, we out here, we chilling, man. It's not super warm out here. You see people got hoodies on, long sleeve. It's a nice day though, the sun up, but when the sun go down, I already know, man, it's gonna get a little cold. That's why I brought a hoodie with me, just to be sure. Just to be sure. For sure. But it's decent out. We got a nice little turnout. Oh, let me go holler at bro over there. So.
get a walk around this motherfucker.
What's going on with you, bro? How you feeling, bro? No, I'm over there, bro. My Jeep down right now, bro. I shit out the, you went to Texas?
Yeah, I'm going to St. Louis though.
Yeah, nah, when I went to Texas, man, I blew the engine in my shit, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah. So I'm in the Continental, but you know what I mean? It ain't Mopar, it ain't. You say what?
They made my amp go in protect mode. They wanted to play.
Oh, you just fucked it up?
Nah, it's just in protect mode.
Oh, okay. You just gotta just like reset, right? And it's good. Man, shout the channel out too, bro.
Life of Bands with a C.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Been talking to this man a long time on the internet, man. It's always good to put the face to the name, man. Real talk.
Man, the face of the car.
Yeah, that too, yeah. Yeah, it's messed up because, you know, a lot of people, like for the last month, people been seeing me in the Continental. And, you know, that's not the car that I'm really trying to promote like that. But, I mean, it is what it is. You got to get to know the face, too. And, you know what I'm saying? People know the face now just as much as they know the car. So, you know, putting that work in, man.
I think I'm done for now. To St. Louis, I think I'm done.
What you mean? Oh, doing shit to it? Yeah.
I just added the Epicenter and then next I got my homie just playing all his old school music.
This you right here? That was you just knocking like that?
Everything shaking in that car, windows flexing and all. I'm mad. Next time, just take your 2 skies out and do 115. I'm like, but I like mine too.
Yeah.
Do one in there now.
Yeah, when I get my shit back, man, I'm finna I gotta throw some subs in it, man. I'm tired of riding factory. Got a 10 in there, but it ain't enough. We need a little bit more, man. A little bit more.
Need to go get me another camera. I've been using my phone.
Yeah, I use them both. I use my phone for like my Instagram posts and when I'm doing shorts, like little short, 30-second clip.
Yeah.
I pull my phone out real quick and do that and load that shit up quick. So
I'm like, when I go to St. Louis, I'm like, everything I do on my phone, I be using that iMovie on my phone. So
yeah.
Every time I finish a clip, even if I just try to shoot a whole one through, I'm gonna have to airdrop it to my tab if I can delete it off my phone and just keep shooting videos the whole day.
Right.
That's why I'm trying to go down there early that Friday if I can, you know, have my car cleaned up for the meeting.
Yeah. I'll be down there in the Continental, man. The Jeep ain't gonna make an appearance for at least another month and a half or so. We engine shopping right now, so it is what it is.
Drop some crazy shit in there.
Oh yeah, for sure. We coming back stronger. We got to come back better than 392. Otherwise, I'd have been back already. At 392, the dealership already got one ready. Oh, now I turned around. I thought you was gonna cut up. Bro, over here in this car, man. Let's go ahead and see. Off-road was good, man. How you feeling? What up, man? You in the car now? I see this joint got this mine looking nice. Volkswagen. Let's see what he coming. I'll show you how to get my manager. What y'all think? Was they slamming the way they said he was slamming or what?
That's all they can get in the video.
We got the SIT gang over here, man. I can't wait to get back, man. I can't wait to get back, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. Slides. This joint right here is so crazy. I think he's sitting on like 6s, at least. HSN family. See how he coming. This wrap so cold on her. I'll make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. They're right next to him. Buddy got the flip away license plates on this shit. Side by side. Which one y'all taking? Which one y'all taking? Cats, wide bodies. I'll see how we coming. Cats everywhere, vets, 392s, Lincolns. What's up? Y'all see what I'm about to do though, man. I ain't doing no revving of the engine, none of that. Highway takeover. Highway takeover. Simply put.
Word on the street, Jesus on the hammer here. Bitch, get your mind right.
New Budweiser Summer Patriotic cans are here to give your Memorial Day weekend a red.
Feeling, bro. That motherfucker look good out there. Man, I'm good, bro. Stay in them good spirits, man. This motherfucker's doing a lot worse than me, you feel me? Yeah. We're in a good situation here, man. You see this gas station? Man, I'm trying to tell you. I already know what time it is, man. Man, that joint was out there looking good. I can't even hold you, bro. That joint was out there looking. Yes, sir. Like a car show out here, man. It's just a gas station.
Hey, it's normal, bro. It's normal, bro. I'm just trying to keep up with y'all, bro. Like,
You?
I'm trying to keep up with y'all.
You said you. That's why I was trying to stay in the middle with y'all. I ain't.
You can like, this one get looks, bro. Everybody. You know what it is? It's that color, bro.
Got cats over here in the cut. We got cats over here in the cut. Wide body thing right here. Y'all seen that joint running. It's definitely a lituation out here, man. You know what I mean? We just out here riding though, man. Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, man. Y'all know what time it is, gang. Easy. And I don't even remember if I did an outro or not, man. But if I didn't, it's gonna be a wrap for the video, man, because we out here cutting up. I need both hands on the steering wheel to keep up with these guys, man. Mopars, vets, cats, GTs, 5.0s, Cuddies, everything out here, you know what I'm saying? So this is gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what time it is, gang. Mook in the V, bang, with another banger.